Hello guys, I just want to share you how to import or transfer an Autodesk Inventor files into Mastercam. If you have a model or project you want to transfer into Mastercam for toolpath purposes, just follow my steps and instruction. First, I'm gonna open my Autodesk. So you see I have a model here. It's done already. So this model is gonna be import into Mastercam. So first I'm gonna save this model. I'm gonna name it like save, then close, and I open my Mastercam. Go to file, open, go to computer, browse, and select here. And don't forget to click here and select Autodesk Inventor files here, and then you will see the files, Autodesk Inventor files here. So open. So now the model is ready in the Mastercam. So now it's here. It's very easy. So that's it. Don't forget, click the button, follow and share my tutorial. Thank you.